They see everyone online just being flashy and everything. But once they get in that work, once they start that grind, those late nights, putting in those projects and that code, that's going to be the telltale sign. If you're in a situation where you are thinking about making a move in the next 6 to 12 months, you're trying to get up out of there, then stay tuned as I'm going to go through some of the other hurdles you may go through and how to get through them. One thing I don't really hear a lot of people talking about is really getting through the grind of putting out the projects. Oh my gosh, I don't even think I need to be here because this is not it. These bugs, I'm stuck. It's going to happen and it still happens to us. Okay. I'm a programming analyst. I still do development. I still do coding as well as business systems analysis. It comes out. Don't fear about that when you're getting stuck. You have your online communities such as Discord and Reddit, which are common for having to ask questions and talk to other people that are going through what you're going through. You should start thinking about how you handle your people to people interactions. As you begin to network with people, you want to be able to share the value of what you did and how it relates to their industry and how you're bringing in your set of skills from your past background or your previous job or your previous education and how you're going to provide solutions and how it's relevant. What you need to be focusing on are skills that will get you employed. Now, before I became a programming analyst and broke into tech, I was in retail, sales, account executive. Essentially, I had people skills and sales skills. Focus on, do you have the skills, technical or not, that are going to get you employed? I was able to take that background in customer service and walk into a technical focused customer service role. And you can do the same thing too. Even while you're studying, you can start applying to jobs. You just need to get your foot in the door. It doesn't have to be a software engineering role off the bat. Don't fixate on the pay not being 6 figures. Just get the experience. And if that company will sponsor a certification or a degree, take it. Take advantage of whatever free resources your company is going to offer to build you up. Because once I got my foot in the door, I then qualified for a higher level position in my job and was promoted. This is something that I learned during my journey, studying, trying different things out, talking to people and networking. So keep an open mind there. Some people don't know what soft skills are. Soft skills, the way I will look at it, is something that does not require formal education. You can learn these on the job, in school, through day-to-day interactions with other people. You should start thinking about how you handle your people-to-people interactions. And how can you learn from them? Teamwork, interpersonal communication, management, problem solving, conflict resolution, team building and training, sales, business to business, account executive, cashier. Because in my tech role, I still work with people every day. I have to sit and listen to their pain points, what they have to do, and how can I solve it using tech, whether it's code or coming up with some other solution, right? How do you find these companies? Glad you asked. We have our AI assistant again. Our AI assistant can help us find some of these local jobs. In addition to asking it to find local jobs, small, medium, nonprofit, public sector, transportation, defense, education, a list of local colleges, hospital, healthcare systems. In addition to that, you can do a Google search on this as well. You can look for job boards that serve your local region. So whatever town you live in, you can do a search. Can you give me a list of local job boards that serve this community and focus on roles that specify 0 to 2 or 0 to 3 years of experience. You want those people in those roles that are going to welcome non-tech, everyday people who have a non-tech background, but you're still valuable because you're bringing something to the table, right? You're able to problem solve, you're able to work with people, focus on those roles. So what's your roadmap here? In the beginning, I doubted myself a lot. So it's really important to now think about your future differently.